welcome to today's video. So I'm super excited. We're opening up one of my favorite boxes ever, GlobeIn, and look at this big box right here. So if you don't know what GlobeIn is, I will tell you a little bit about it. It is a monthly subscription, and they call it the GlobeIn Artisan Box, and each box you get is curated around a theme, and all of the items that come inside are made from these really talented artisans throughout the world, and this provides them with fair wages and a better life. And the quality of the stuff you get in here is amazing. Like, my home is like 90% GlobeIn now. I've been getting this box for a while. It was even one of my favorites before I started getting it in PR. If you guys haven't seen all my GlobeIns from like the past 2 years, I'll leave my playlist down below. You could see all the different types of boxes. So you can get a surprise box, they'll pick for you, or you can pick out of the curated boxes, and I've opened the majority of them, maybe like all. So if there's one you want, and when you subscribe, you can check out my playlist and see what I think and what's inside it. It costs $40 a month, and there is a shipping charge. I do have a promo code, so it's kittysboxes in all caps. I'll leave it down below along with my link, and that will save you 50% off your first box if you purchase 3 months at a time or more. But yeah, I've been loving this box for a long time, and I can't wait. So this is a soiree box. So before we get to the unboxing, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes, and I open them every single day here in our channel. So if you love them too, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And quick disclaimer, there is a tropical storm approaching my area right now. It's really windy and like stormy and dark out. So if you hear anything in the background, well, it's either the storm or cats. Yeah, I can hear it now. I'm curious if it'll come through. Let's get this open and started. So I just unpackaged everything because they packaged it up really well, because we do have some glassware in here. I seriously have all their glassware, and I'm so excited because I don't have this range. But right on top of the box when I opened it, there was a pamphlet that goes over it. So the soiree box, and it also gives a spoiler of what's inside. There's a note from the editors, and then for each item they tell you who made it, like, or one of the people that made them, where it was made, what country, and a description about the artisan. And I think it's so great to like actually learn who made your items and how their life is benefiting through GlobeIn. So I think that is amazing. So let's start with what's on the first page here. And we have a picture. So this will be the second picture I have from GlobeIn. Look how beautiful this is, you guys. So this was handmade in Mexico, and it's the large iced tea pitcher. Iced tea sounds good right now. The measurement's 9.5 inches by 8, and the material is hand-blown glass, and they give some care instructions, and then they show you a picture of one of the people who made it. Sorry, I think that was not focusing on the picture. My settings on my camera changed somehow. I think it's because I've been like switching rooms a lot. I must have pressed a button so now it like tracks my face only. You guys can't see it, that was a really weird motion, but I can see the viewfinder and it's tracking me. Anyways, I'm not gonna get on a rant today. I'm gonna do this video efficiently, hopefully. So it says David Herrera is one of the talented people who made it for us. And then it talks about suggested use, so I think this is great, and I think it's so pretty. I love this. And then we have 2 stemless wine glasses to match. I like drink my water out of these. I don't have this design specifically, but I have several others. Again, if you have watched my videos or take a look at that playlist, you will see all the stuff I have from GlobeIn. I love it. There was like one video where I opened a bunch of add-ons, because when you subscribe and you refer anyone, you get $15 credit to their shop. So not only do they have a subscription service, you can also shop like artisan goods on their website. So I added a lot, and you can like only see my like little face. I have a big head, but like you can see like my head peeping out behind all the boxes. I went add-on crazy. Like, seriously, I love GlobeIn stuff. I can probably reach around right now and find something. Oh, okay, not gonna tangent. Oh, but here, oh, sorry. I use this glass to hold my brushes. Pretty sure this came in a GlobeIn too. I knew I could reach and get something. Anyways, so these were also made in Mexico, and they have they're also made from hand-blown glass, and they show Jesus is one of the people that made them. And these are sturdy, and I've never broken one, and I've probably dropped them a few times. So yay, I love it so far. This is awesome. And then the next item is a long-handled tasting spoon. And this was handmade in Thailand, and it's 8 inches, and it's made from hand-carved wood. And we have here I don't know, where does it say his name, but it says it comes from Thailand with love. And there's one of the artisans there. Again, it's not focusing on their face, but they have a face mask on anyways. It says, we respect the artisan's decision to keep their identity hidden so you may enjoy their craftsmanship to their fullest extent. Nice. And we have one more item. Oh, I didn't know what this was when I first pulled it out of the box. This is a teak wood wine topper. Sweet, I could use one of these. And it says, due to the nature of this product, sizing may vary. It fits the standard size wine bottle. Its material is obviously teak wood. And this was handmade in Peru. And this is by, sorry, I hate when I mispronounce names, especially like names from foreign countries. So Bramisa by Greenheart is the company. And they work directly with artisans to ensure fair trade, like all these do. I think this is just the best subscription ever because you get amazing high quality things like that you'll actually use like in your home. Like they're beautiful and it like gives people fair wages and they live a better life and they deserve it. They are talented AF, you know? Like I think this is the best subscription. I always rave about it. But then, so that was everything in the box. I think it was great. But also in the pamphlet they'll give like recipes and stuff. It's like a little magazine. Ooh, vegetarian Italian stuffed mushrooms. I want that. But who am I kidding? I want to go like have someone make it for me. I go to a restaurant and eat it. Yum. And then, wow, look at this beautiful woman enjoying it. I want to look like that and have a little soiree by myself with my cats. And you guys, I know I haven't wrapped up the video yet, but we haven't had an interruption by the cats yet. That kind of makes me nervous. I'm like, what are they up to? But that was it, you guys. I absolutely love this box. I love GlobeIn. I've honestly never been disappointed by a box. So again, if this is brand new to you, check out my playlist so you can see what else they have if you want to like see more before you make a decision with subscribing. I think this would also make like a wonderful gift, especially if you did like the 3 months for 50% off or whatever. That would be great. So yeah, I am super happy. I don't have any wine at home, but I might make some like tea or even just put some water in that pitcher in the glasses so I can enjoy it and just look at it. It's so pretty. Like, I hope it like shows on camera, like, how do they do that? I'm amazed by this stuff, but yeah, so I'm happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. Thank you for being here. Special thanks to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you guys want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can read about the perks and also join. I'd absolutely love it if you did, but no pressure. Just by being here and watching is super helpful and supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you, so stay safe, stay healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.